let's do International Court of Justice. The International Court of Justice is the principal judicial organ of the United Nations. कहाँ है वो? It is at Hague, Netherlands. It began work in 1946 when it replaced the permanent, actually पहले था Permanent Court of International Justice, and now it has become International Court of Justice. You can't do? I'll tell you. Now, it has a dual role. क्या काम है इसका? What is its function? First, to settle in accordance with the international law the legal dispute settle करना है. ये किंतु हम तुमको बताया नहीं था. And secondly, to give advisory opinions also. So first, settlement of dispute, छोटा छोटा बताया भी. Second, advisory function, khatam. Next, composition. Okay, the court is composed of 15 judges, elected to 9-year terms of office by the United Nations General Assembly. उन लोग को 9 साल के लिए लेते हैं. And Security Council also. It may not include more than one judge from any nationality. से एक nationality से एक ही judge आएगा. Elections are held every 3 years. Election होगा. 1/3 of the seats retire करेंगे judges, बाकी continue करेंगे. अब और 1/3 retire करेंगे, ऐसे करके होगा. But you can take my that pen also if you want. The members of the court do not represent their governments, but they are independent magistrates. So the members of the court है जो International Court of Justice का, they do not represent government किंतु they are independent magistrate court है ये. Now जो judge है तुमको अभी हम पूछेंगे, जल्दी करो. The judges must possess the qualifications required in their respective countries for appointment to highest offices, or be jurists also. And the composition of the court has also to reflect the main forms of civilization. They have to be composed in such a manner that they show the main forms of civilization and all the principles, legal systems of the world. The court elects its court का बड़ा अपना president और vice president है जो कि 3-year term के लिए elected होंगे. ठीक है. और उसका powers है first होचे the parties, only member states may apply to and appear before the court. Only the member states can appear. Next, sources of applicable law. The court decides cases in accordance with international treaties and conventions also. International customs, general principles of law, ये सब. फिर voluntary jurisdiction होचे, it is competent to entertain a dispute if the states concerned agree to take the issue to it. अगर states, जो states में concerned है ये होता, they agree to take the issue to the court, then the court is ready to entertain this matter. Then এগুলো হচ্ছে ওর, these are the parties and sources. Now it has some 2 types of functions. Ready? Are you ready? Okay. Compulsory function, jurisdiction and advisory jurisdiction. Compulsory होचे कौन सा cases में compulsory jurisdiction होगा. First होचे against a background that a large number of treaties provide that disputes are submitted. बहुत सारा disputes are submitted to the court on a matter. And उसका jurisdiction कहाँ तक extend करेंगे? Disputes pertaining to interpretation, बेटा तुम तब तक करो किंतु हाँ, international law and reparation. Reparation means compensation to be made for the breach of an international obligation. हयतो कोई international obligation था जो ये लोग माना नहीं. For that they have to reparate, means they have to compensate. उसके लिए भी. And then another function opinion is their advisory opinion. The advisory procedure is open slowly to international organizations को advice देता है ये लोग. Only bodies at present authorized to request advisory opinions, 5 organs of UN and 16 specialized agencies of UN family. ये लोग को ही खाली advice दे सकते हैं.